Okay guys, look, this is beautiful, the finish in this rocks. Look at how it looks. This is aluminum and this black, beautiful. I love it. This shiny, and let's see how this thing is gonna look in this guy right here. I think it's gonna do a big difference. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I think these guys are going to make a big difference. Okay, let's go and do this. It's supposed to be something easy. The tools we're gonna need, I'm gonna show you what we need exactly, guys. Let's go and do this right now. Hello guys, this is Herman again in another Just My Review, and today we have another DIY project, but from now on guys, we're gonna make something different in our videos. As you guys know, I like to put details in how I install my my items on my vehicles, but from now on guys, we're gonna start doing two different videos. I'm gonna do the short video and I'm gonna do the installation version. Basically it's gonna be the same video, but one is gonna be completely small, basically short video, and the other one is gonna be with details, how to put remove screws, how to do certain things that you guys not gonna see in the short video. And guys, everything is gonna be in the link. After you guys finish watching the short video, you guys will see it right there. That way, if you guys wanna make an installation, you guys can check that video and go straight to the different points that we're going to use that day to install whatever we're gonna install. For example, guys, right here behind me, I got this box right there, and this is the racks for the top of my Ridgeline. Let's go and do that right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, how to get it, and where you guys can have the installation instructions as soon as we start doing this. Let's go and do this, guys. This is the items we are going to use for this installation, guys. Right here we have the manual. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this one, and also this place is where you guys can buy this item. For me, is one of the most reliable places. You guys can check somewhere else, but you guys can have the manual from these guys. Also, we got to use tape. We're gonna need a ruler like this one. I'm gonna use this one, is good enough. I'm gonna use this marker and not this specific one, but you guys need something like this, real with Sharpie or another brand you guys need. Also, we're gonna need a tape. You guys can use this one if you don't have the yellow tape that it's especially made for automobiles. Safety first, we're gonna use glasses, guys, because we gotta do some stuff. And also, guys, we're gonna need this number 10 socket, 10mm socket. We're gonna need two T tools. We need this T40 socket. We're gonna need also this T15 socket. I'm gonna use this wrench. If you guys got just the tools, don't worry about it. You guys can use that. I'm using this because it's more convenient, more easy for me, and thank God I have these guys. And also, guys, one of the most important things right here too is the torque wrench. Guys, you guys need this. Make sure you guys use this because we're gonna need it. It's required right here in order to set the required torque for the bolts on top of the truck. All right, let's go and start this installation. Okay guys, finally I got it right here. These are the installation instructions for the roof rails in the 2021 Honda Ridgeline, and as I heard, this one works too for the 2019 through the 2022. Now make sure you guys check before follow these diagrams. Now guys, the easiest way I noticed in my case is using my phone. You guys can use a small tablet. That way you guys can have it next to you guys, and you know, move these directions and pause it whatever you guys need it, and that way you guys can have a smooth installation. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop talking and you guys can follow these directions. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go and finish this job. Alright guys, this is the short version. And look at these guys. This is so beautiful. I love it. It's amazing how different this truck looks like with these guys. Every little detail you do in your truck, guys, make a huge difference. You know, all the combination, the black and white, make this truck look so nice. Guys, next week I'm gonna install the crossbars, and that's gonna be more easier. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Simple steps, of course. Owen, see you guys later on in another Just My Review, guys. Thumbs up and God bless you all. See you guys later. Bye bye.